Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A4 key battery, easy method. Start by locating the plastic release latch and slide the key out gently. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry the fob halves apart at the seam. Then remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation. Insert the new battery matching polarity, snap the fob back together, test the buttons, and reinsert the mechanical key to finish the job. To open the fob, first remove the mechanical key by sliding the release latch and pulling it free. Place the key aside and use a small flathead screwdriver at the seam to gently pry the two halves apart. Work slowly around the case to avoid snapping clips. Once opened, set the case halves on a soft cloth and inspect the battery retaining clip and orientation so you know how to replace the new CR2032 battery correctly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed the book Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it changed how I think about money, which oddly helps when budgeting for car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the old battery carefully and inspect the contact pads for corrosion or debris. If needed, clean contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Place the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation as the old one, press it into the retaining clip until it clicks. Then align and press the case halves back together. Reinsert the mechanical key and verify remote functions like lock, unlock, and trunk release to confirm a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.